Apple at its upcoming WWDC 2023 Apple Park event plans to provide some developers and attendees with an opportunity to try out the new AR/VR headset following its announcement. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple built a new structure at the Apple Park campus to provide controlled hands-on demos of the headset. Demonstrations will be given to members of the media and developers at the event, but the area will also be used for app development purposes. There will also be a hands-on area in the Steve Jobs Theater for hardware demonstrations after the keynote. Customers with certain conditions will be warned against using the headset. If the hands-on experience is similar to previous events, developers and members of the media will be able to test the headset right after the keynote. Apple employees will be providing short, controlled demonstrations. Apple's next big product is expected to cost $3,000, rest on your face and need to be tethered to a battery pack. It is expected to be called the Reality Pro headset, and is expected to be unveiled at Apple's WWDC Developer Conference on June 5th. VR headsets have been a standard consumer tech thing for years, and are used for games, fitness, creative collaboration, and theater. However, VR and AR have been outlier technologies, not deeply connected enough to the phones, tablets, and laptops most of us use every day. Apple could change that. A connection to everything? Apple's new headset is expected to bridge all of its devices, running iPad apps on its built-in 4K displays. It could also act as a key peripheral, tracking fitness and acting as a vibrating motion control accessory. Apple has a big AR head start, with the iPhone and iPad Pro already having depth-sensing LiDAR scanners that can map out rooms. To ensure success, Apple needs to enable its device ecosystem, making it a healthy and profitable place for people to invest their time and effort. How do we control it? Apple's Reality Pro headset will likely use both eye tracking and hand tracking to create a more accurate and possibly streamlined style of interface. Accessibility is a big question, and voice control or Apple Watch-connected functions could be in the cards. Hand gestures in VR feel complicated and involve lots of movement. So can Apple make a gesture language that feels as intuitive and as easy as multi-touch on iPhones and iPads? We'll likely know more, or at least get an early glimpse, at WWDC